How to reach board 300 in Monopoly Go. First things first, there's no actual tricks or cheat for you to be able to immediately jump out to board 300 on Monopoly Go. First things first is make sure that you're currently running the latest version of the application. What you want to do is just simply log in every day, claim rewards, join any events for you to be able to multiply and to have plenty of specific dices. Now, if you're currently playing on a daily basis, make sure that you are draining out or using out all the dices available on your account. You could also try to redeem any codes if you have one. Just simply visit monopolygo.com's website and then in here just simply enter the code and then log in to your Monopoly Go account. And that's it. Just simply log in every day, drain out your dice, and then max out your multipliers into maximum level for you to obtain massive amounts of rewards. And that is how you reach board 300 in Monopoly Go.